Hello and welcome, Andy Wright Travel here. A story that I saw, a video, is absolutely brilliant. Obviously it's not in the UK, which is obviously disappointing because I think that the UK government and train operators have wasted money on new trains when this solution could solve the issues of getting wheelchairs and things on trains. And the main thing is not having to worry about trains being unable to accept wheelchairs without a ramp. Now obviously the way that you will get on a train at the moment is with a ramp. And this ramp is deployed every time by somebody coming out, and if it's a train manager or whether it's a station, it doesn't matter. Somebody has to put this ramp down for a wheelchair user, and it may be that a station doesn't have any staff, or we've heard horrific stories about disabled people being left on the platform or in the train. Have a look at it. It's a genius idea and would be, in my opinion, very simple to implement on every single station, and regardless of the train, would work for every single train that we currently have. I don't know what you think, but I think that's a genius idea. And of course it would solve the problem of getting wheelchairs and things onto trains and off trains. I don't know where you would put it. Maybe you'd have to rearrange the train so that it's in a certain spot, because I know all trains are not the same. Sometimes the train is round the wrong way and would have to be, I don't know, maybe the first carriage on the train. I don't know, but that's something that they could sort out and standardise, especially with the idea that we're going to be renationalising the railways and have Great British Railways. It would be possible to have that now with every single train station and every single train, company, because obviously there's only going to be one. Don't know what you think. What do you think about that? Do you think that's a good idea? I think it's a brilliant idea. Anyway, I don't think it will happen. I think we're all going to have to move to Japan. Right, that's it from me. Have a very good day. Bye for now.